Good morning, children. This lesson is for class 6, subject chemistry, chapter number 6, air and atmosphere of your textbook, Concise Chemistry, Selena Publications. It is being submitted to you on 8th February 2021. In the last lesson, we have discussed the properties of air. Today, we are going to discuss the uses of the components of air. So, first component of air that we are going to discuss is oxygen. Oxygen present in air is required for respiration by all living organisms. Oxygen is also responsible for combustion. Animals and plants living on land get air from atmosphere for respiration, and aquatic plants and animals use the air dissolved in water for respiration. Living beings take in oxygen present in air during breathing. Our body cells take up oxygen from blood and break down food to generate energy. This process is called respiration. So, food in the presence of oxygen gives carbon dioxide, water, and energy. Children, as we move higher up in the atmosphere, the amount of oxygen present in the air decreases. That is why the mountaineers carry oxygen cylinders at their back to meet their oxygen requirements. Now, children, let us perform an experiment to show that exhaled air contains more carbon dioxide than inhaled air. For that, take two test tubes fitted with a two-bore rubber cork. In a hole, fit a long bent tube, while in other hole, fit a short bent tube. Pour lime water in both the test tubes by taking out the cork. Fit the cork again. Mark the test tubes A and B. Remember, the long bent tube is immersed in lime water, while the short one remains suspended in air. Now, in test tube A, blow air by an air pump through the long tube. And in test tube B, blow air from the mouth. Now, what do you observe? It is observed that lime water in test tube B turns milky faster than in test tube A. This confirms that exhaled air has more amount of carbon dioxide. Plants also respire, just like other living organisms. They breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide during respiration at night. During daytime, they take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen due to the process of photosynthesis to prepare food. Now, children, the next important chemical process which needs oxygen is combustion or burning. Burning or combustion is a fast chemical process in which a substance reacts with oxygen and gives energy in the form of heat and light along with carbon dioxide and water. Without oxygen, burning cannot take place. Fuels are the substances which are burned to produce large amount of energy in the form of heat and light. For example, wood, coal, cooking gas, petrol, diesel, kerosene, and CNG, compressed natural gas. Now, the next component of air, nitrogen. Nitrogen is important for plants and animals as it is needed to prepare proteins which every living being needs for its growth. Plants cannot absorb nitrogen directly from air to convert into proteins. It is first converted into nitrogen compounds like nitrates with the help of nitrogen fixing bacteria present in the soil and then absorbed by the plants. This is called nitrogen fixation. When plants and animals die, they decay and nitrogen is returned to the soil. In this way, amount of nitrogen is balanced in air and can be used again and again. Also, nitrogen controls the rate of burning. Remember, it does not support burning. In fact, it controls combustion of substances. In the absence of nitrogen, burning would be very fast and uncontrollable. Now, the third component of air, that is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide is required by plants for photosynthesis. Oxygen is released during this process, which is used for respiration by plants and animals. Carbon dioxide, being a non-supporter of burning, is used as a fire extinguisher. Solid carbon dioxide, also called dry ice, is used as a refrigerant. Carbon dioxide is used to prepare fizzy drinks like soda water. Carbon dioxide maintains the temperature of the earth by trapping the heat that radiates from the earth's surface and re-radiate some of it back towards the earth. This results in warming the earth's environment, and we say it greenhouse effect. Now, the next component of air, that is water vapor. Water vapor provides water for plants and animals. Water vapor gets converted into rain and snow that serve as a natural source of water for plants and animals. Excess water vapor in the atmosphere produces rain, snow, and mist. Hence, it determines climatic conditions. Last is noble gases or inert gases. Helium. Helium is used in weather balloons. Neon. Neon is used in advertisement signboards. Argon. Argon is used to fill electric bulbs. Krypton and xenon. They are used in photography and in powerful lamps such as lighthouse lamps. With this topic, I'm ending up today's lesson. Kindly read the chapter from your textbook also up to page number 77. Thank you, children.